This week has been one of the surprising weeks in my life. In fact, I celebrated my birthday and something amazing also happened. We just crossed 21,000 amazing subscribers on Kweku Africa Media. And honestly, I never thought this would happen so soon. And because of your support and the growth of this platform, new opportunities are beginning to come our way. And one of these opportunities is that Kweku Africa Media, in collaboration with BigG Hair from Vietnam, have started working. And this is also an opportunity for all Africans who want to start hair business because they sell raw natural hair at very cheaper price. So if you are in Kenya, if you are in Nigeria, or even in South Africa, they have opportunities for everybody. And today in this video, I'm visiting their shop to sign the contract and seal everything with them. So come with me. Let's go.
If you've enjoyed this video so far, please do me a huge favor and hit the like button and subscribe. These videos take quite a long time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. Thank you all for your support. Now let's get back to this crazy story.
Okay guys, so my name is Kweku Africa Media. Let's go into the car and then I'll show you what's up, okay? Let's go, show you.
Voices rise from coast to coast, telling stories we need.
Okay, okay, so just stay with us and let's see how it's going to unfold, yeah? So guys, the street is going to be very crowded. Very crowded. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go! Yeah. We are almost there, yeah? Welcome to Vietnam, welcome to Hanoi. Toyo, Vietnam. So guys, today is my birthday and so this week is actually my birthday. 7 March was my birthday and today I also have a collaboration. I have a brand that I'll be influencing, that is a hair making company called BigG Hair. So today I'm in their facility and I'm going to meet the boss to sign the contract today. So guys, let's go. Hi. Yeah, so that is the 3. Hello.
Leaders rise, the people stand.
Hello.
Change is moving through the land. Hidden stories come alive. Africa's spirit.
I'll be taking you through for that. You can. They have a whole list of employees who are working to serve people. They have branches across the continent. Hello. Yeah, a number of them here.
Africa. Oh, Africa. Kweku Africa, the voice of Africa.
So it's going to.
Kweku Africa, right of Africa.
I am part B, right? Part B, so part B I sign.
Telling stories we need most.
Okay, and I write my name, right?
Clear and strong. Africa's heartbeat in our song. Kweku Africa, bold and free. telling our history,
Okay.
our destiny, from the village to the
So we are done with the contract signing. Now just check, take some hair samples, and then we'll see how that one goes. So they have a very big auditorium, and
leaders rise, the people stand. Change is
so
moving through the
hello.
hidden
Oh, ah,
Africa's spirit will
enjoying.
survive. Kweku Africa, bold and free.
So these are basically samples that these are the samples. She's quickly going to explain to me what they are and what they do.
Okay, this is for 8 inches SDD standards.
This is ASDD
SDD standards and
meaning
8 SDD. We have some difference for quality.
okay.
So SDD is the best seller,
Okay.
and it's for 8 inches, bond straight hair. So it will be one set.
Okay.
Will be 2 bundle and 1 closer. This one is the same. The difference length 8 inches and longer inches.
Okay.
And this one is a closer 2x6. 2x6 closer. Okay, let me take some more simple.
So we actually have different types and kinds of hair. We have the raw hair, we also have the processed hair, and all the ones. Okay.
Yeah, all our hair is 100 human hair only. They are best quality hair. Either for wig.
This is a wig.
Wig.
So I can put this on.
Yes, you can put on in the head.
So what's the name of this hair? What is called what?
Bond straight wig.
Wig. What type of wig?
5x5 wig.
Oh,
5x5 bob wig.
full of energy, from Vietnam to the world in Rome. Everywhere I go feels like home.
Thùng wig của mình đâu nhỉ?
Yeah, guys, so this is BigG Hair, and there's another one.
Another color.
Oh my! Oh, let me try this one.
Places, faces, colors, and skies. Every corner holds a sweet surprise. From the classroom to the city street, there's inspiration in every beat. Kweku Africa, come and see. Energy from Vietnam to the world we roam.
Oh my! So this place is actually their shop in Hanoi. They actually have a hair manufacturing plant. Which one of these days I'm going to take you there. So here is their shop, and then they have a lot of customers always serving you 24/7. They're on standby, trying to serve you and respond to your query. So with them, you really don't have any problem with them. Once you work with them, any problem, you just bell them and they are on. They're going to sort you out. It is what it is.
This is Kweku Africa.
So guys, this is where we find ourselves, and this is the showroom.